So now that we have our kind of basic setup built, we might want to see some more information about these arrays. So what we can do is we can look at one of these and right click, and that will bring up this panel which shows us that there are 2 watts in this array. So we can right click that, we can right click that, and we can also shift right click the component to show all the associated panels or hide them. And you can see here that we have some power that's being lost. So we have 2 watts going in, 1.8 watts going out, and that's because each of these lenses and some other components have power loss. So if we hover over that, we can see power loss 10%. So 10% of that power is going to be lost. So next let's talk about burnout. So we can see that each component actually has a maximum operating power. So for the lens it's 10 watts, and it's in fact 10 watts for all the primitive components. Now I have here a lens that has 22.8 watts of inputs. That's clearly over 10 watts. So what happens if we connect these up? It burns out. So you have to be really careful not to put too much power through your components.